Hello, my name is Sean, from HDD Parts. This video is going to show you how to swap PCB, to rescue a Maxtor hard drive. This is the compatible working PCB. We are going to use this one to swap the dead one. This is the dead hard drive. On the PCB, there is one burnt component. Take off the damaged PCB. Put the identical working PCB onto the same hard drive. Connect the hard drive to the computer through a USB adapter. Then power it up. The data is intact. Swapping PCB is easy, but how to find an identical PCB is the most important thing. www.hdd-parts.com is one of the PCB supplier. In order to guarantee the PCB are compatible. For this model, Maxtor hard drive, the following three key number must be same. Code number, model number, main controller IC number. Attention! 1. For the code number, you have to input all of them. 2. For the model number, only the first 7-digit number are count, the rest can be ignored. 3. For the main controller IC, only the last 4-digit are count, the rest are same, can be ignored. For this hard drive, the code number is YAR41VWO. The model number is 6Y060L04200471. Only the first 7-digit number are count. The main controller IC number is 040111500, but only the last 4-digit are count. so we input 6Y060LO, space, 1500, space, YAR41VWO, into search box. Then go search, select the best match one. If you cannot find what you want, or not for sure for the compatibility, you can scan both sides of your hard drive, send the photos to hddparts@gmail.com, we will reply to you with a solution. Thank you for watching. Good luck with your data recovery.